Welcome to our laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Mihekiki. Both machines cater to those living in small spaces or needing a compact solution for laundry. We'll explore their unique features, how they operate, and which one might be the best fit for your lifestyle. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually with a hand crank mechanism, allowing you to wash clothes without electricity. This makes it perfect for off-grid living or camping. In contrast, the Mihekiki is a fully automatic electric washer, making laundry effortless with just the push of a button. While the WonderWash requires some physical effort, it offers independence from power sources, whereas the Miheki provides convenience but needs to be plugged in. When it comes to portability, the WonderWash has a fixed countertop size, weighing 5 pounds, making it easy to transport but requiring a stable surface for operation. On the other hand, the Miheki folds down to just 6.1 inches thick and weighs only 3.3 pounds, making it an ideal choice for travelers who need to save space in their luggage. This foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, but may compromise durability over time. In terms of pricing, the WonderWash is the more affordable option at $55, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Meanwhile, the Miheki is priced at $69.99, reflecting its advanced features and automatic operation. While the initial cost is higher for the Miheki, its convenience and larger capacity may justify the price for some users. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Miheki offer unique benefits for those in need of portable laundry solutions. The WonderWash excels in durability and independence from power, while the Mihekiki shines in convenience and ease of use. Consider your lifestyle and laundry needs when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.